Hello style friends, this small clip that you saw I did in December during the holidays in 2022 when I was in Milan. So, and guess what? Then I report again for spring 2023 and again for spring 2024, and guess what? Red is one of the top colors in the runway for fall winter 24-25. So look at this color. You know, all these are variations of red, and depending on your color combinations, your level of intensity, one of them will look much better than the other on you. But yeah, even this that is very warm, more coral, also fall into the red category. So I bet you have your red. The only thing that I ask you, don't compromise. Let's see what I have in my closet in terms of red. Shall we? I have a blazer in red, my red. And I know I have a red dress in red, which would say, but Cecilia, this is not red. Look, go even with my red brown polish. Is my polish, my nail polish color here, right? And I know I have one more red. Which is a knit dress, which is a little bit more cooler than the others, but is still my red. So the traditional red color is not in my closet, and I hope you look for that red that brings the best on you. And let's continue our conversation about fall winter trends. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.